up that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle Naomi, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, I will be working with the lovely UpgradeU hair. They went ahead and sent me this 26-inch deep wave unit. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I love it. 180 density, fullness, and you guys, the hair is super duper lightweight, which is absolutely perfect for this very humid summer we're having in Florida. I'm living for the waves. The texture is everything, and in today's video I showed you guys how I did my glueless install, how I did these baby hairs, how I got everything laid. And if you'd like to see how I did it, just keep on watching. Before I jump into the video, the links will be in the description box below if you'd like to purchase this wig off rip, which I would highly recommend. I will tell you why in the end of the video. In this container, I just have some conditioner and hairspray, and what I used for my edges today was the Kenra number 25 volume spray and the Ebin Lace Wonder hairspray, the red one. So that is pretty much it, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everyday. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. The feel is your way. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everyday. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. The kill is your way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see by your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You feel like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get that door. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a jazz and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. How you want to run like a nothing? I take dance for me and have my hips stiff. Yeah. No, no fair, no cares. Because who cares? Time she said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn.
Okay babes, so this is the finished look. This is the wig from UpgradeU hair. They went ahead and sent me this 180 density 26-inch 13x4 deep wave unit. This is what the wig is looking like. I am literally in love. The wig tricked me out the packaging because it was not looking this in full, and once I detangled and let this wig air dry, it transformed into a butterfly, literally, because I love how full it is. It is super duper lightweight, so if that's something that you're concerned about, girl, not to worry. This wig is easy, airy, and breezy. I love the fact that it is full and lightweight because in the summertime it's really hot and humid, and what you don't want is to be sweating like a pig. So this wig is perfect for the humidity. I'm in love with the texture. This deep wave pattern is everything, and I feel like every girl needs to get their hand on this. I don't usually do deep wave texture, but I'm literally in love. It dried down so fast because it's 180 density, so it's not too many hairs on this unit, which is perfect, like perfect. And even though it's 26 inches, it still gives full and thick for the 180 density, so I love it here. If you'd like to purchase this wig from UpgradeU hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye mamas.